Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you how I made my Crescent Moon Dream Catcher wooden sign. I even have it so that it lights up. This is in my bedroom, so it's really nice next to my TV to look at night. What you're going to need from the Dollar Tree is one of these 8-inch wire wreath forms, some yarn. I picked this up at Walmart. It was in my stash. Some cotton twine or crochet thread. I don't know what this was. I believe it was from Michael's. Some flowers. I picked up this bunch from Walmart a while back. I really thought they were very pretty. These stars I have had for a long time. I ordered the wrong size, but they're working out well for this project. And some foam mounting dots from Dollar Tree. And then some fairy twinkle lights, and I ordered the ones from Amazon that have a timer. And then I had this wooden sign for a very long time. Right now, it's $7.99, but with a 40% coupon, it'll be $4.80, and it's quite large. First thing I did was I cut off one section of the wire frame at the bar. And then I took my floral wire and I pinched one end so all three pieces were together, and I started wrapping them with the floral wire. And then when I was done with that, I added some hot glue just to make it not so sharp, and also so that the crochet thread had something to hook onto. And this is what it will look like, nice crescent moon shape. Then I took my yarn and I tied it at one end, and I just started wrapping my entire crescent moon until it was completely covered. And this is how it will look, like a big letter C. Then I took some of my crochet thread and I cut it off of the spool because it needs to be small enough to go through itself once you start wrapping it. So take your thread and just tie it to one end, then bring it over and then under about 2 inches apart, and then pull it tight and continue doing that in sections until you reach the other end of your crescent moon. And then you're going to go back down and you're going to keep going through the gaps you just made and just go around. And please watch a video on YouTube to show you how to do that, because I'm not explaining it very well. But you keep repeating this from the top to the bottom and the bottom to the top until it's all complete. And mine does have some problems with it, but I still think it came out cute. Then I took some of the smaller flowers from that bush and I glued them onto my crescent moon. And then using my Cricut and some heat transfer vinyl, I printed out "I love you to the moon and back." And then I used my Easy Press 2 to heat that vinyl onto the wood, which I'd never done before, so I did scorch it, but it's okay, it looks distressed. Then I took my foam dots and I cut them up and I put them on the back of the stars, which, by the way, I had painted previously. I forgot to mention. And then I put them strategically on the board with the just using the glue dot. And then I strung my fairy lights using behind each of the stars, and I just kept wrapping all the way around until I saw the way I wanted it, and then I added some hot glue to each star just to secure them in place. And that was this is what it looks like all lit up. I don't even mind the little wires because it sort of looks like constellations. And here it is up close. Oh, I did hang a dangling Dollar Tree heart. I hope you enjoyed my project. I kind of rushed through it, but I just wanted to give you the inspiration. Please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Please stay well.